Hello everyone, we'll be learning how to make these scarf designs. Start off by folding it repeatedly, wrap it around the neck, take both of the ends and bring it out from underneath to the top as such. Fold your scarf, wrap it around the neck, and now roll it around the finger and roll it through the top as such. In the loop that is present, put both of the ends through and pull it shut together as such. Next, take the scarf and now wrap it around the neck, join the two together, twist it slightly, make a knot out of it, and now arrange it as need be. Make a knot out of it as such and push it together. Next, take your scarf and now wrap your hand around it as such. Tie a knot and then join it together. Next, take your scarf, tie it around the neck and then begin to twist it as such. After making 2 twists, make the loop in the center and then bring both of the ends through it, arrange the center. Take your scarf, wrap it around the hand and now bring both of the ends through it. Now wrap it around the neck and pull both the ends through once again through the loop you've created. Now, start off by folding the scarf into half and bring both the ends through. Next, make a loop out of your scarf and bring both of the ends through it, arrange the center. Make an entire circle out of the scarf around your neck and now, in the loop, make a loop right in the center using your hands, twist it around it and now bring both of the ends through on either side. Thank you for watching.